2011 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited. Bright silver metallic. Aluminum sport alloy wheels. Goodyear tires. Tinted windows. Roof rack crossbars. All-weather cargo mat. Nice black leather seating. Rear DVD headrests. Power window locks and mirrors with premium Infinity sound system. Woodgrain trim throughout. Power door seat adjustments. Heated front seats. Upgraded Jensen touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera. Steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, auto headlights. Just under 120,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us. How do you close?